Well, hello and welcome back to Larrabeen Jardin. I did promise a while ago a review of my new Bosch shredder. I say at this point I've received no remuneration from Bosch. This has been bought out of my own money. Here is the shredder. I think the first thing to say is that I was amazed how quiet it was. I'm just going to turn it on and you'll see. Surprisingly quiet compared to my old one. Just to have a break in the video and we'll move on to the next stage. We have an assortment of green waste here. I have accrued quite a big pile. I think it's fair to say that, like with most shredders, it is wise just to cut off bits a little bit too wide. I will cut this bit of buddleia side shoot off, but we'll put some in a minute and we'll see how it works, because it does drag it in quite successfully, I've found. Right, here we go for a demonstration. Now, as you will have seen, you have to give it a hand sometimes. I'm just going to try it with a different material. This is some branches from a lime tree. I would always advocate wearing gloves. Difficult to operate a phone and do it with gloves on your hand, but please do wear gloves. Now, the collection box is at the front here. There are comments on comment pages that it does tend to get blocked. The chipped material does tend to get blocked, and I would bear this out. You can see here that it's in a pile, and gradually the pile builds up and starts to block the system, so you do need to check it regularly. Now, this has been running for some time, so we'll have a look inside the box. Yes, the box is now full. I've found that for some reason, if you put the metal supports on a piece of wood, it does make the box easier to move. I'm not entirely certain why, but it certainly does, particularly on uneven wet ground like this grass is. Just have a quick look at the controls. We have a very easy to see on, which is the green, stop, which is the stop, and yellow, which is to reverse if it gets blocked. Very easy to use. As a final demonstration, we're going to try some of these large branches. These are hazel and birch. Quite a size here. Well, there we go. I hope you might have found this helpful. I've got a lot more to do here. Pile will continue, but that one box of chippings has given me that much in the wheelbarrow. A couple of final thoughts. You will need a proper mains lead, sufficient power, because it does not come with a lead. You have to plug it in. And the second thing is the adjustment of the turbine blades, which are here. I didn't find the instructions particularly clear. There is a knob on the side for tightening them up, and I'd had to do a bit of research on the web, found out that the best thing to do is to put some white paper in the bottom of the box, of the collection box, and just turn this knob until a few thin pieces of aluminium appear in the bottom. Then it is correctly set up. It's always a problem with the wet, thin pieces. I had the same problem with my last shredder, but this one doesn't do too bad. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful.